Pluto Coffee recipe, out of this world cosmic brew. Welcome to our cosmic kitchen, where we're taking coffee to a whole new level with our Pluto Coffee recipe. Inspired by the mysteries of the universe, this unique concoction will transport your taste buds to the furthest reaches of space. Join us as we embark on a journey to create a coffee experience like no other. Let's blast off together. Ingredients: 12 ounces fresh ground coffee, preferably chocolate mint or Swiss chocolate. 2 ounces more 151 rum. 1 large scoop whipped cream. 1 ounce Haagen Liqueur or Bailey's Irish cream. 2 tablespoon chocolate syrup. Instructions: freshly grind the coffee. Begin by grinding fresh coffee beans. For this recipe, you can use either Swiss chocolate flavored coffee or chocolate mint flavored coffee. Grind the beans to your preferred coarseness or fineness. Brew the coffee. Brew a strong batch of coffee using your preferred method. Whether it's a French press, drip coffee maker, or espresso machine, ensure that the coffee is hot and aromatic. Prepare the mug. Take a large mug and pour approximately 2 ounces or more of 151 rum into the bottom. If you're unsure about the amount, you can add a little less and taste test before adding more. Pour the hot coffee. Carefully pour the hot brewed coffee into the mug, filling it up to about 3/4 of the way. The rum in the bottom of the mug will create a warm and flavorful base for the drink. Add Haagen or Bailey's Irish cream. Once the coffee is in the mug, add a generous splash of either Haagen, probably meant to be Haagen or Bailey's Irish cream. These creamy liqueurs will add richness and a hint of sweetness to the drink. Stir well. Use a spoon to stir the contents of the mug thoroughly. This will ensure that all the flavors are well mixed together, creating a harmonious blend of coffee, rum, and cream. Top with fresh whipped cream. Finish off your decadent creation by topping it with a generous dollop of fresh whipped cream. This adds a luxurious texture and a creamy finish to the drink. Drizzle with chocolate syrup. For the final touch, drizzle some chocolate syrup over the whipped cream. This not only adds visual appeal but also enhances the chocolate flavor of the coffee.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.